The job market has changed, and you have to make yourself more hireable if you want to get a job this year. Look, I've hired thousands of candidates and analyzed tens of thousands of resumes. And these are going to be the exact skills you need today to stand a chance in this market. Plus, I'll discuss AI and easy ways to up-level so you can land your dream job. All right, let's talk about how to use AI strategically to make you more hireable. You're gonna wanna master agentic workflows, not just prompting. Here's what most people are getting wrong about AI right now. They think it's all about writing better prompts. It's not about prompting ChatGPT better, it's about managing agents. You wanna learn how to manage multiple AI agents that are collaborating to do work. Think of yourself as a manager of digital workers, not just a solo contributor. This means strategic planning and management of workflows using tools like n8n or Cursor. It's orchestrating AI systems that can research companies, analyze job descriptions, and customize your materials while you're doing other more valuable work. Companies aren't just hiring people anymore. They want to hire sharp people that can leverage AI to multiply their output. This gets us to self-directed learning. Hard skills are becoming easier to acquire because everyone's going to have a real-time AI tutor. You'll be able to learn the fundamentals of any technical skill in a day. The problem is, everyone else can too. What's gonna separate candidates is your ability to learn how to learn. You can prove that you can spin up a new tool or learn new domains in days and not months. You can build projects. Don't just watch tutorials. Implement applied projects using 3 of the state-of-the-art models like Gemini, Claude, or ChatGPT. Show me you built something that solved real problems and delivered actual business value. New technical skills. The closer your hands are to the keyboard, the more technical. The closer to managing people, the softer. But this year brings a new middle layer. Managing work and agents. Your ability to multitask and delegate to AI is the new technical soft skill. I'm talking about people who manage pipelines where one AI researches, another writes, and a third creates visuals, all while you focus on strategy. You're not writing code, you're not managing humans, you're orchestrating AI systems. And unlike managing humans, it can scale infinitely. Your soft skills are going to make you more hireable. All the AI skills in the world won't save you if you can't work with people. When everyone has the same technical AI abilities, soft skills are going to become your competitive advantage. Here are some things to think about. Relational intelligence. Authentic human connection has become a premium product. This is the ability to build trust, read the room, and negotiate. You can't automate trust. Sales, negotiation, team cohesion, all of those rely on people feeling heard. The ability to speak with empathy and nuance is the ultimate differentiator. Then cognitive flexibility, the ability to unlearn and relearn rapidly. It's the mental elasticity to switch between deep strategic work and high-speed technical execution. The tools you use today might be obsolete in 6 months. Employers are terrified of hiring stagnant employees. They value people who don't just say, "That's not how we do it," but instead say, "Let me figure it out. How's this new tool gonna change our workflow?" Collaborative influence, the ability to get people to do things. People who don't report to you, who might be in different time zones or departments. Organizational hierarchies are flattening. Work is project-based and cross-functional, and you're often gonna need engineering help even if you're in the marketing department. You can't order them, you have to influence them to want to help you. Diagnosing problems. Everyone lists problem solver on their resume. The skill now is identifying the right problem to solve in the first place. Don't just list problem solver. You want to list identified root cause of X inefficiencies and deployed AI solutions to fix it. Integrative creativity. Humans must be integrative, connecting dots between unrelated fields, cultural nuances, and emotional experiences AI doesn't have access to. AI can't understand irony, cultural timing, or brand soul unless a human guides it. Asynchronous clarity. The ability to communicate complex ideas in writing, be it Slack, Notion, or email, so clearly that a meeting isn't even needed. Remote and hybrid work are permanent. Companies are drowning in Zoom fatigue. The employees who can send a clear update instead of booking a 30-minute meeting saves the company time and money. Ambiguity tolerance. The ability to make decisions and move forward even when you don't have all the information, the roadmap is unclear, or the strategy changed yesterday. Look, 5-year plans are dead. Companies are pivoting quarterly. Employers need people who can say, "I don't have all the answers, but here are the next logical steps that I'm taking." By the way, if you want to know which industries will help you build a future-proof career in 2026, hit subscribe. My next video is one you're not going to want to miss. Resume and domain knowledge make you more hireable. Domain knowledge is the new moat. AI can write code and copy. it cannot replicate deep domain understanding, the nuances of the transportation industry, healthcare regulations, or manufacturing supply chains. You can use AI to execute, but use your brain for strategy. Companies want to know that you understand their specific market so you can apply the tools correctly. The ATS is still a thing. With AI, application volume is exploding, and the ATS is getting inundated and drowned out, which means filters are getting stricter than ever. You need to have an ATS-friendly resume. Don't get disqualified for silly tactical mistakes. Use best practices to survive the massive influx of applicants. I have an entire video explaining the best practices on how to write an ATS-friendly resume. The link is in the description if you want to check that out. A job search strategy that's going to make you more hireable. Keyword-based search. Hiring managers are now more focused on keywords than ever. You need to make your skills show up in your resume and LinkedIn. You're gonna wanna include as many keywords as you find in the job posting in your resume and on your LinkedIn. If they want agile project management with cross-functional teams, you wanna make sure you're using those exact phrases. Make it easier on them, don't make them do the cognitive heavy lifting. And you can use agents to look for opportunities for you. Set up alerts so work happens while you sleep. While you're networking, your AI agent can be scanning job boards, identifying matching roles, and pre-qualified companies based on your criteria. I shared all the details on how to make your resume and LinkedIn stand out in these videos. The links are in the description. Use Teal's AI job search to aggregate market data and analyze trends. Use Teal's AI resume builder plus ChatGPT and Claude to create a master resume. Teal handles the ATS optimization, and you can leverage the others to help with your messaging and tone. And what gets measured gets managed. Use Teal's job tracker to organize everything, applications, follow-ups, and interviews. And use the voice mode on ChatGPT to practice for your interviews. You can leverage its voice mode and upload the job description and have it ask you the tough questions that might get asked on your interview. And then use the AI to review your offer. It's not a lawyer, but it can definitely help you identify things that you can use to negotiate. Personal brand makes you more hireable. Outbound is the new inbound. Like the inbound funnels are broken by AI slop. When every resume looks the same, companies are shifting to outbound hiring. You need a pristine public profile on LinkedIn. Recruiters are actively searching for you. You're gonna build a keyword-rich headline, summary, and projects showcase. Turn on open to work, but you can do it without the green banner so all the recruiters can know you're open to opportunities. And demonstrate dedication. In a selective market, employers want people who want to be there. Go above and beyond and show your dedication to their specific mission. Innovation and passion for the specific company are what separate the competent from those that get hired. 2026 is about efficiency, strategy, and proving you can work with the machines and not just be like them. Start building your 2026 strategy today with Teal's job tracker to manage your applications and the AI resume builder to ensure your domain knowledge is shining through. You can click the link in the description to try Teal for free today and get a special discount for YouTube subscribers in case you want to upgrade and try all our best features. All right, thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.